Good morning, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. Today I'm joined by my sous chefs, and we're going to be making a baked egg cupcake. So jumping right in, I've got 12 egg whites and 4 full eggs. If you want the full eggs, I usually go about 3 egg whites equal an egg, so you can do the math and figure that one out. In addition to that, I've got 1 bell pepper that I've done a rough chop, 1 shallot that I've done a rough chop, tablespoon of minced garlic, and about half a cup, not even that, probably a quarter of a cup to a third of a cup of spinach. And it really doesn't matter any of these vegetables really, except for these two, because these are the flavoring. Use whatever vegetables you want. Use meat if you want to put into this. We're making basically scrambled eggs in a cupcake tin. Okay, so first things first, sir, would you whisk? You gotta whisk these up. We're scrambling the eggs. Okay. Go ahead, give it a little spin on the whisk. Let me help you. Good work. Great work, sous chefs. All right, now that we've got our eggs whisked to get these egg muffins together, I'm gonna dump everything in. So, the bell pepper, the shallot and garlic. You want to push this in here for me, sir?
Sure.
Just push it straight down. Good job. Okay, you're going to do the salt and pepper. Last but not least, there's a teaspoon of kosher salt and black pepper. Sir, if you would, dump it in there. Good job. Thank you. Now, you may have noticed that I have some cheese sitting over here. We're going to put that on after we pour everything in. Just give this a whisk to get everything coated up.
Oh, that makes it like green.
Yeah, well, that's the spinach, buddy. And you know what would be really cool is if you have them, I didn't have any, but different colored bell peppers would make for a nice colored presentation.
Ooh, you can try that. Yeah.
All right, now that everything's combined, I've got some muffin tins that I've pre-greased with just regular cooking spray. You see it sitting over there. You can grease those however you choose. And then we just ladle in until it's just about full. And my sous chef says he wants to give it a shot.
I did.
All right, you'll get your turn. And we're just going to continue doing that until we get all these filled. Sir, hey, little man, give it a turn. There you go. Good job. Right, now that we've got them all filled, my boys are going to sprinkle some cheese on top. You can do a little more than that, buddy.
Okay.
You can use whatever kind of cheese you like. Yeah, you'll wait your turn. We're using a Mexican blend today. And sprinkle right on that guy. Go ahead and get a little more in there. Come on. Get a good hand on there.
That cheese.
There you go. That's perfect. Look at that.
That.
As you can see, I've topped all of them but 2. And that's just, again, as a reference point. You don't have to put cheese on if you don't want it. So that's why I did that. Preheated the oven to 350. I probably should have said that at the beginning. We'll put a note in. 20 minutes. See you in 20. All right, timer just went off, so it's been exactly 20 minutes. And you can see these puffed up nice, fluffy. They look good. Flops right out. I'll right side up them once I get them out. There you go, guys. It doesn't get any easier than this. It is a little investment in time for the 20 minutes of bake, but it's worth it. Trust me, as you'll see, the kids devour these things.
Two thumbs up forever.
You know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Check back for the next video. Don't forget to ding the bell when you subscribe, and take care.